On today's episode, we are installing another great custom pocket door frame from Architectural Millwork of Santa Barbara, California. And so Joe at Architectural Millwork has custom made my frame to fit Peterson Pocket Door. So on this job that we're on, it's phase 2 of this project, and we're installing 4 today of the same size, 6/8 door with Peterson Pocket Door. And it's going to be the Hawa 80B track and wheels mounted to the Peterson Pocket Door. So follow along and we'll get this thing done. Now that we know where our finished floor is going to go, we can then set our jambs accordingly so that the top of door will be 1/8 of an inch below my jamb height. The same thing goes with the door next to me. This door is swinging in, so now because I'm using the Hawa 80B track wheels, the top and the bottom of my jamb here will correlate with my pocket door.